Hi guys, so wait, today we're going to defeat Spirit Medito part 1 because I'm still maybe at demon level 0. Okay, start. I played it before okay. No. Oh my gosh. Imagine now, can you today, bro? Just focus. Ah, shit. Shoot, bro. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my gosh. Bro. Bro, don't might get a part 2 after this game because I'm a newbie. I still haven't beat the main level. Oh my gosh. Bro, how did that? Oh my gosh. How? How? Go, please. Oh my, holy moly, dude. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's do that again. Oh my gosh. If I get more than 16% then about pro, just say I'm still a newbie. Even I get more than 16%. Wait, I'm not. Bro, the most hardest part is the blinking eye. The blinking eye part that I don't know. Okay. 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 Just stop, do that. I think that's just slopes, and the other ones are spikes. And the other one are platforms. Dude, I swear. Oh my gosh, let's just focus and not like yapping.
Sa mga biktima ng bagyo at pinapensyo na din ng Pangulo sa DPWA ang lahat ng kalsada at mga tunal
Okay.
para matiyak na ligtas pa ito.
But what did I get? 18%. Imagine I get more than 50%. Okay. I mean, imagine I get more than 18%. Like, I can see clear. I cannot see clearly. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Bro, guys, did you just see that? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I beat other demon levels to like just 2 levels. Like, I got this mana orbs. Like how? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Just to guys see this. Holy moly, dude.
Maraming mga putik na napakakapal
Like,
ay
old times, I was like 13%. And in practice mode, I went like 99%.
Pero maraming
I definitely die at 99%. Because I'm a noob.
Kaya marami at marami tulong na dumating ng mga galing DSWD, dumating na din ang kanilang pagkakaga mga family food packs at may mga iba't ibang grupo rin na dumalang sa gilid Cebu na namamahagi ng ayuda. Ang ilan sa kanila humihinto sa mga kalsada at tuon sa sila na pinamimigay sa mga residente na wala sa bahay. Ito na mga probinsya na din na nagpahatid ng tulong dito sa Cebu, Kabayan. Maraming salamat, Dennis Jackery. Ang posibleng maapektuhan sa paparating na bagyong
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Bro, my heart is beating so fast right now. My heart is beating so fast. This is an easy demon. And better late than never did. Because I'm so late. Okay, I spied it. Better late than never. Joke lang. Just kidding. Joke lang means just kidding. Translate from Philippines to English. I think you guys thought at the beginning I was American. Dili, uy. Naman ko, Filipino. Translate that to Filipino to American. I mean English.
Sa ulat ng pag-asa, mas malakas pa ang bagyo habang papalapit sa Pilipinas sa Agosto. Paalala ng mga otoridad, dapat agad
Go! Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait a minute, I got a shortcut. Wait a minute, I got a Planto shortcut earlier. Oh my gosh, I got blind to that long spiky.
Dahil kung hindi ang panawagan ng Department of Interior and Local Government sa mga lokal na pamahalaan.
Kidding me?
Palikasin agad ang mga nasa
Oh,
high-risk
please.
areas bago pa maglinggo. Mahalaga ang ganitong mga paalala dahil ayon sa Department of Environment and Natural Resources Mines and Geosciences Bureau, higit 8,000 barangay sa buong bansa ang lantad sa pagbaha at pagbiro ng
Weh.
Hanggat meron tayong pagkakasya
Okay, never mind.
magkaroon ng landslide sa lugar, lalo na dapat natin alamin na landslide not happen instantaneously or basta-basta.
Binuksan na rin ng MMDA
Wait.
ang kanilang Emergency Operations Center at agad nagpiposition ng search and rescue teams at mga kagamitan nito sa 4 na quadrants ng Metro Manila.
Everything is in place. Ito pong ating communications and command center. Ito operation ng 24/7.
Nakikipag-ugnayan na rin ang Philippine National Police sa mga
Alright,
lokal na
get up.
pamahalaan at disaster response agencies para matiyak ang seguridad at kaligtasan ng mga residente at
This
sa
is
mga
it.
community.
Shortcut earlier, guys.
Nasa 8.4 million individuals na sa mga region ng Cordillera. Ilang ang kanilang region, ang sa Luzon ang mga at ang mga story sa pagkakala ng DSWD. Handa naman ang
Alright, guys, so
higit 2 milyong
bye guys. We're gonna part 2 tomorrow. Bye bye.